Everyone within the organization become an expert ecologist. We help organizations that manage land asset portfolios to better assess their nature-related risk by providing them specifically site-level, decision-useful information. We combine satellite imageries with a very scalable way to ground truth that information across multiple sites in a standardized way to really get to a point where you can get from insights into action. We've decoupled the data interpretation aspect from the data collections. And so anyone within the organization, local maintenance operators, field staff, employees can participate in collecting ground imagery using the Mozaic mobile application without prior training. We had this ambition 6 months ago to be able to give their personal ecologist advisor to every single SME on Earth that manages land as a bit of a wild idea. And we've proven that it's like we've got the tools and we've got the platform to do it.